Hi everybody, so this is going to be our daily agenda for January 26, 2021. We are continuing on with argumentative structure and argumentative essays. So for our do now, just because I need you guys to get the practice, we will no longer be going back to assignments just for now. For now, you are going to be focusing on Quill. So I want to see everybody on Quill. After that, we are going to work on your argumentative essay. You are moving on to the writing portion, so we will not be going back to the graphic organizer. We will not be going on to any of those previous things. So, for the writing portion, this introduction, we're going to be working on writing your introductions. So you were not able to write this during the graphic organizer, but you are able to pull it from your sources and you can go back and use the sentence frames. I encourage you to use sentence frames for this portion. We are going to be practicing together to write your hook. We're going to be practicing together to write your tag. I left some sentence frames for you for tag, usually just how to introduce each one. Your context and your thesis. So I will be giving you guys that timer on how to write those theses. When it comes to it, we will write it together as a class. You'll be writing it on your own, but we'll be writing it together. So I will say, it's time to write your thesis. Go ahead and write down your claim and your 3 reasons why. You have 5 minutes. And then we might even talk about, well, what are some claims we want to talk about? What are some reasons? And we might just get a little bit into a discussion there, but I want to make sure, ladies and gentlemen, you have this introduction down solid. So you're going to have 15 minutes for that. Afterwards, we are going to work on our body paragraphs. I anticipate that you guys will only really get through your 3 body paragraphs tomorrow. We're going to try and eyeball how much time you guys need. It depends how much time you guys need on writing body paragraph 1, because whatever time it takes you to write body paragraph 1 will kind of reflect itself in body paragraph 2 and 3. But remember, and I will have this up tomorrow, topic sentence, it's your T. Immediately follow it with your evidence. Immediately follow that with your paraphrase. Immediately follow that with analysis. Then evidence 2, paraphrase 2, analysis 2, and your conclusion. I have these sentence structures, the sentence frames on Google Classroom for you guys to use. It is right next to the essay. Use them. So I have them even by letter, so that you guys, all you have to do is fill in the sentence frames and put in your evidence, put in your paraphrase, put in your analysis. So we're going to work on that. And then when it comes to body paragraph 3, I'll just kind of work with you guys on putting in that counterclaim. And then if we have time for it, we'll also do a round of rock, paper, scissors. I know you guys might be feeling like I'm using it quite a bit, but we haven't quite gotten to it over the last couple of days. If you guys have any questions, need to turn in late work, or just need more information, reach out to me, send me an email, and I'll help you guys with that. Also, just as a small announcement, most of your grades have been updated to reflect any changes. Please make sure you're actually finishing your missing assignments. This is critical. Essay draft. It's going to be due the 27th. I do not want to spend time in class having to go back constantly. So let me know if you are having trouble with essays, if you need me to stay after school with you. Other than that, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good one.